Welcome back, AI enthusiasts. You're listening to Weekly AI News with Shaily, and I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar. This week, we're diving into some jaw dropping breakthroughs, from decoding brainwaves in real time to AI models sprinting faster than ever to a historic legal shakeup that could redefine AI ethics forever. Trust me, these stories will spark your imagination and maybe even challenge how you think about artificial intelligence. Let's kick off with a truly inspiring piece of research coming out of UCLA. Imagine controlling a cursor or robotic arm just by thinking, but without surgeries or implants. UCLA engineers have crafted a wearable, non invasive brain computer interface that uses an AI co pilot to decode EEG brain signals combined with computer vision. The result? Users, whether able bodied or paralyzed, are now able to control devices almost 4 times faster than before. 4 times faster. It's like giving your mind a turbocharger. This leap not only offers a safer alternative to the risky brain implants, but also widens the horizon for assistive tech and neuroprosthetics. Picture how this technology can revolutionize communication for people with paralysis or inspire next generation human AI interaction interfaces. Now, here's a question for you. As AI gets better at interpreting our brain signals, how do we safeguard privacy and autonomy? Something to ponder. From the lab to industry giants, Microsoft just unveiled two powerhouse AI models: MI Voice 1, which generates audio at lightning speed, 1 minute of audio in under a second, and MI1, a foundational large language model now open for public trials. What's eye catching here is Microsoft's strategic jump to independence from OpenAI, aiming to build its own proprietary AI stack, training these models on roughly 15,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. That's serious firepower. This not only turbocharges voice generation and conversational AI speed, but also reshapes the competitive AI landscape. For developers and enterprises, faster and scalable voice and language solutions could be a game changer. Here's a little tip. When choosing an AI voice or conversation service, look beyond just quality. Think speed and infrastructure sustainability for your deployment needs. And by the way, what do you think this means for the future collaboration or competition between AI behemoths? Next up is a landmark moment in AI ethics and legal frameworks. Anthropic, one of the rising AI research firms, agreed to a staggering $1.5 billion settlement over unauthorized use of copyrighted books in their training data and committed to deleting those pirated works. This settlement is historic, a clear signal that AI training data must be ethically sourced and legally cleared, and courts are ready to enforce this. With AI models expanding rapidly, this precedent could ripple through the entire industry, making clean data the new gold standard and possibly reshaping how companies approach AI development. For anyone building or deploying AI models, this is a wake up call to audit and document your training data sets meticulously. I wonder though, how will this impact innovation, speed, and open research, especially in communities that have traditionally relied on large scale web data scraping? Switching gears to a feel good story from Switzerland, where researchers released Apertus, a fully open source, multilingual large language model trained on an eye watering 15 trillion tokens covering over 1,000 languages. This model elevates inclusivity, supporting languages often ignored by commercial AI. Beyond that, Apertus follows strict European ethical guidelines and transparency principles. Imagine the potential for global knowledge sharing, especially in underserved language communities, and fostering trust in AI through openness. This sets a high bar for ethical, inclusive AI development, a reminder that AI can empower without exclusion. And here's something to think about. With so many languages supported, how might we harness such models to bridge cultural divides in real world applications? Finally, on the business and hardware front, DFI unveiled a rugged edge AI platform using NVIDIA's Jetson Orin NX nano chips, designed for tough environments like autonomous vehicles and industrial automation. Featuring IP 67 IP69K ratings, multi-gigabit Ethernet, and support for real-time AI vision, these systems promise robust, low-latency AI at the edge, crucial for mission-critical operations where cloud latency or connectivity can't cut it. As edge AI adoption rockets, expected to hit nearly $6 billion by 2033, hardware like this fuels that shift, enabling smarter, safer autonomous systems and remote management. For engineers eyeballing edge deployments, factor in not just AI models, but the durability and connectivity of your hardware. It can make or break a mission critical system. So, quick quiz: which edge AI application excites you most and why? As we stitch these stories together, one big theme emerges. AI is growing not just smarter and faster, but also more responsible and accessible. From interpreting brain signals to respecting copyright, from democratizing language AI to embedding intelligence in rugged hardware. Among these, the Anthropic settlement might leave the longest shadow, reshaping AI development norms and ensuring the tech we build honors ethical and legal principles. That wraps up this week's edition of Weekly AI News with Shaily. If you enjoyed this deep dive, you can find me sharing more insights and tutorials over on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Just search for Shailendra Kumar. I'd love to hear how you think these developments might impact your work or life, so drop a comment or DM anytime. Before you go, remember, as AI transforms the world, staying informed isn't just smart, it's essential. If you found value here, please subscribe, share, and spread the word to your fellow AI explorers. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and keep making money out of data. Catch you soon.